woman that I love is 40 feet tall. She's a movie star. She's all in the papers and
yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Up yours, old man.
just say, Mr. Officer, if you come to take a